Welcome to my first ever video. Today I am interested in trying something new. I have some decent experience in ground battles in War Thunder, and I figured out, hey, why not try air? I have the F-14A IRAF. I mostly use it for CAS, but I tried it in top tier, and personally I don't like it that much. So I did what every reasonable War Thunder player did. I spent some money. I have very little knowledge about planes, but I got some recommendations, and this was the plane to go to. Or this one of the planes. I know there's probably plenty other planes that are better, but this is what we're trying to do. We are trying to learn. And this thing has missiles. I have zero idea how this works, but I think we learn by doing. So I would say let's just jump right into it and try to find a match and see how it goes. Okay, so we found a match finally. First thing I see, how the fuck does this have so much flare and CAF? Like all the American jets I have played only has around 60, I think it is. What is he doing? What the hell? And already got him. Okay, so this already has, I can notice this has better acceleration than the F-14. As you can see, we're already zooming. So this will be interesting. This will be interesting. So I heard somebody say it has a little bad maneuvering, but I think we will figure that out. Should probably go lower so we don't get fucked by the fuckers. But I think this is something to learn from. We have a great way to make SL once we start to get good. Hopefully. Exactly. Okay. Yeah, that missile was looking like it was going for us. Yeah, okay. God damn. Okay. I did not expect anything to go better, but oh, airspawn, lovely. Yeah, that's just some of the fucking things. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing. But perhaps we should go lower straight away. Just go low. I don't want to get touched by those missiles again. Let's see, should we try? Let's try it out, see how if it works. See, this guy also fired a missile at him, but hopefully ours will get a hit first. But it seems like he tried to shoot another one. Just gonna keep this lock on him. Hopefully to make it better. I am not so sure though. Oh! I got, okay. We got a severe damage. I got a kill. Hi there. Oh, okay. Oh, please. Okay. We're already doing better than I expected, but now it's just chaos. Oh fuck, that's the wrong missile, but hopefully it gets a hit on him. It did not, sadly. Yeah, he is under there, so there's no shot for me. Yeah, we have got one kill, our first kill in the vegan. So this is awesome. Okay, lovely shit. No! Hey, got a kill. Lovely. Let's head into the next one. So I think my goal today is to get 3 kills in this video in one game. So when we manage that, I would say we have completed a challenge. Let's see if the Norway flags will help. Oh, another one! Bitch, we're twinning! So I'm gonna try to get some height. And then possibly get the advantage. But let's see. Give me some locks, please. They're already seeing me. Oh, I'm getting locked. So the same guy. We're gonna fire missile anyway. Oh, okay, starting to learn. Why am I? Why am I? No! Wait! Wait! Why am I? Okay. Hey, we got a kill. Oh man, okay, we just gotta hop in the next one, man. Oh, God. Yeah, okay. Okay, dude. Oh fuck, okay. Not good. Okay. Hey, we're back in action, and we're trying to find some enemies here, but I am not seeing anybody. This is insane. I've been flying for like 2 or 3 minutes now. Oh. I don't mean to do that. I am getting tracked. Get down. One. Oh my god. Okay, we got. There's one. Oh my god. God damn. Okay. I don't have any missiles left. Lost control. Lovely. Kind of want to get back to base. Then try to... You know what? Just never mind that. Just don't... Okay. Okay, this is the end of the first part of Can You Get to Top Tier as a Wallet Warrior. So yeah. If you enjoyed the video, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and if you want to watch me live, go watch me on Twitch. That would be awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.